Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are primitive prokaryotes. That primitive prokaryotes adapted to thrive in extreme environment like hot springs, high salinity, low pH, and so on. They are mostly chemoautotrophs. The unique feature of group in the presence of lipids like glycerol and isopropyl ether in their cell membrane due to unique chemical composition. The presence of lipid like glycerol and isopropyl ether present in their cell membrane due to unique chemical composition, the cell membrane shows resistance against cell wall antibiotic and lytic agents. Example: Methanobacterium, Halobacterium, Thermoplasma. Next, Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria and also called blue-green algae. Stromatolites are deposit formed when colonies of cyanobacteria bind with calcium carbonate. They have geological age of 2.7 billion years. Their abundance in the fossil record indicate that cyanobacteria helped in raising the level of free oxygen in atmosphere. Cyanobacteria are popularly called blue-green algae or Cyanophyceae. They are photosynthetic prokaryotic organism. According to evolutionary record, cyanobacteria are primitive form and are found in different habitats. Most of them freshwater and few are marine. Example: Thermodesmodium. Thermodesmodium erythromium, a cyanobacterium, impart red color to Red Sea. Species of Nostoc, Anabaena leads an endophytic life in the coralloid root of Cygus. Leaves of aquatic fern Azolla by establishing by a symbiotic association and fixed atmospheric nitrogen. Members like Cleocapsa, Nostoc, Cytonema are found as phycobiont in lichen thaler. Silent future in cyanobacteria. The members of this group are prokaryotes, lack motile reproductive structure. The thallus is unicellular in Chlorococcus, colonical in Cleocapsa, and filamentous trigome in Nostoc. This is the unicellular Chlorococcus, Cleocapsa colony type, Nostoc filamentous type. Gliding movement is noticed in some species. Example: Oscillatoria. The protoplasm is differentiated into central region called centroplasm and the peripheral region bearing chromatophore called chromoplasm. The photosynthetic pigment includes C-physocyanine and C-phycoerythrin along with myxoxanthine and myxoxanthophyll. The reserve food of material is cyanophycean starch. In some form, a large colorless cell is found in the terminal or intercalary position called heterosis. They are involved in nitrogen fixation. This is the heterocyst cell. They reproduce only through vegetative method and produce akinete. Dormant cell formed from vegetative cell. Thick-walled dormant cell formed from vegetative cell. Hormogonia, a position of filament get detached and reproductive by cell division and fission and endospore. So, the vegetative method produce akinates, hormogonia, fission and endospore. The presence of mucilage is around the thallus is characteristic feature of this group. Therefore, this group is also called Mixophaceae. That important one, sexual reproduction is absent. Microcystis aeruginata, Anabina fluos aquae causes water blooms, release toxin and affect aquatic organism. Most of them fix autotrophic atmospheric nitrogen and used as biofertilizer. Example, Nasta cannabina. Next, spirulina is rich protein, hence it is used as single cell protein. This is the fission, Synechocytes. This is the akinate, Anabina. This is the endospore, Dermocarpa. Mycoplasma are mellicutes. The mycoplasma is very small, 0.1 to 0.5 μm in this structure. The pleomorphic gram-negative microorganism. They are first isolated Knockout and co-workers in the year 1898. The pleural fluid of cattle affected with bovine pleuropneumonia. They lack cell wall and appear like fried egg in culture. The DNA contain low guanine and cytosine content than true bacteria. They cause disease in animals and plants. Little leaf brinjal, witch's brooms of leguminae phyllodes of clove, sandal spike or some plants disease caused by mycoplasma. Pleuropneumonia is caused by Mycoplasma mycoides. Actinomycetes. It's also called actinobacteria. Actinomycetes are also called ray fungi due to their mycelia-like growth. They are anaerobic or facultative anaerobic microorganism and gram-positive. They do not produce an aerial mycelium. Their DNA contain high guanine and cytosine content. Example, Streptomyces. Frankia is a symbiotic actinobacterium which produce root nodules and fix nitrogen in non-leguminous plants such Ulmus and Casuarina. They produce multicellular sporangium. Actinomycetes bovis grows in oral cavities in causes limpy jaw. Next, Streptomyces is a mycelial forming actinobacteria which lives in soil. They impart earthy odor to soil after rain, which due to the presence of geosmin. So, the earthy odor is produced. Some important antibiotic, namely streptomycin, chloramphenicol and tetracycline are produced from this genus.